Ever felt that biting cold even when your old heater's running full blast? Time to upgrade smartly. Welcome back to my channel. Today we're checking out the top 3 gas infrared heaters that deliver instant, powerful warmth while saving fuel. Don't forget to explore the links in the description below. The number 3 product on our list is MOZODAWN Gas Infrared Heater. The MOZODAWN Gas Infrared Heater is built for those who crave powerful warmth without the noise or hassle. From frosty garages to open patios, it spreads a deep, radiant heat that feels instant and natural, like standing in sunlight on a cold morning. With 3 flexible heat modes reaching up to 15,000 BTU, it easily warms spaces up to 400 square feet. What truly stands out is its balance of strength and safety, with built-in low-oxygen shutoff and tip-over protection offering complete peace of mind. It's whisper quiet, easy to move with sturdy wheels, and designed for both outdoor adventures and semi-indoor setups. Whether you're camping, working, or just relaxing, this heater transforms cold spaces into cozy, inviting zones of comfort and calm. On number 2 is Patio Gas Infrared Heater. The Patio Gas Infrared Heater is the kind of comfort that transforms a cold night into something magical. Designed for outdoor freedom, it delivers instant radiant heat, powered by propane. No cords, no limits. With 3 flexible modes ranging from gentle 1400-watt warmth to a powerful 4200-watt blast, it easily adapts to chilly patios, garages, or backyard gatherings. What makes it special is its smooth ignition system and smart safety design. Built-in tip-over shutoff and oxygen sensor for complete peace of mind, the sturdy steel body, foldable frame, and hidden tank system make it stylish yet practical. It's energy efficient, whisper quiet, and feels like pure warmth on demand. For anyone who loves outdoor living, this heater brings heat that feels real, radiant, and incredibly personal. Now, moving to the last one is Bluegrass Gas Infrared Heater. The Bluegrass Gas Infrared Heater brings warmth that feels alive, instant, deep, and soothing like sunlight on a cold morning. Designed for efficiency and comfort, it delivers a powerful 20,000 BTU output, easily heating spaces up to 950 Ft. Whether it's your garage, living room, or cabin, this heater turns icy air into cozy calm within minutes. What sets it apart is its smart thermostat control and 99.9% fuel efficiency, providing reliable warmth without wasting energy. It's also vent-free, so installation is simple and hassle-free. Safety is built in with an oxygen depletion sensor and quick shut-off protection, giving you peace of mind every time it runs. For anyone seeking dependable heat that saves energy and performs beautifully, this heater redefines comfort in every season. Among all, the winner is MOZODAWN Gas Infrared Heater. It delivers instant, radiant warmth that feels natural and deeply comforting. Designed for efficient heat distribution, it warms larger indoor or outdoor spaces quickly while maintaining consistent temperature control. Its sturdy build and energy-saving performance make it perfect for both home and patio use, giving you powerful, reliable warmth when you need it most. So guys, this was the video about the top 3 gas infrared heater. All the links are given in the description. Do check them out. If you enjoyed the video, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos. Thank you.